A moose can walk up the mountain and walk all the way down and get her side like 10 minutes. And if we try to do that, it'll take us 3 hours. What do you think?
Because they don't have no muscles in their legs. So they can't feel how they're walking.
They just go off like a tractor. Just like a little tractor.
Yeah, but if a moose hits like a giraffe's leg, it will break.
Oh yeah. Hit him with the antler?
It will break because giraffes only have like little horns. They don't even have horns.
I know, but I don't even know what they're called. It's
Like antennas?
Probably giraffe antennas.
But most is because their head is not normal. Their head's not normal. It feels like wood.
Solid. Just like maple.
It's
Maple
their
tree.
skull. It's their skull. They don't feel nothing in their skull.
And they hit each other, huh?
Yeah.
They just give her.
You go.
Just
Oh my
hit.
God. Just hits. Because last time when I shot a moose, literally lost half of his antler.
Took half his antler off?
Yeah.
Hey, you're a good shooter, you.
Oh, nobody's home.
What?
Yeah, nobody's home. Yeah, nobody's
Yeah, your dad's truck's right there, boy. Heavy Chevy.
Is anybody going to the parade or no? Is the parade done?
We made it.